Hello, my name is Tom Hathaway, and this is Breakout for CS50, which is a free class Howard's putting out. So, first thing I'm going to do is get straight to the demo. In this case, I've got a single key power up block to go get to unlock those three over there, but as soon as I get some ball upgrades, it'll go pretty quick. So it starts out a little slow, but that's okay. I have changed the recovery points, so I'm going to go ahead and intentionally lose a heart here. So you can see my paddle shrink, and you can see my heart count decrease. And now as soon as I believe I get to 500, I get that heart back, and my paddle comes back. So let's see if we can get that ball. We did it. So now we can start to speed things up here a little bit. Now as soon as I'm able to get that key block up there, what's going to happen is all of the key symbols on any blocks, in this case there's only one, there could be more than one key block randomly spawning, are going to go away, and all of the key blocks are going to return to whatever color it was they were supposed to be, based on the pattern. So in this case, I believe they're all going to be blue, based on what I'm seeing. Okay, so there you see the ball hit the gray block and didn't go away, and now they return all the normal color, and they can be hit like normal. Oh, I was just short of that. So as you can see here, I still have my key power up, even though I have died and returned to the surf setting. And you know, I think that's actually everything that I need to show. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the game and maybe go into the code for a minute to show you guys what I did here. So to create the blocks, I created a locked block parameter, and I just said randomly give me power up blocks and key blocks, and once you give me a key block, give me a locked block. And that was about it. And then the locked blocks have a random chance of going back to back, but once they do, then I don't actually need a locked block anymore, so that's turned to false. For the power-ups, I created this class as per the instructions. It's based on the ball class. It only collides with the paddle. That's the only time this function is called, so I go ahead and turned it off inside the power-up class. The play state is a bit exciting. So in here, we have these power-up loops where we check to see if it collides with the paddle. If it does, create some balls. If it power-up collides with the paddle, then unlock everything. Play this cool unlock sound I found. And then it was pretty simple to make a brick so it was locked or not. If you go over here to the brick code, it'll tell you if it's locked or not. Self-employed. Yeah, so I just put in some code that said, if it's locked, then play this different sound and don't do anything else. And then, oh, this is the render. Yeah, if it's locked, render it a certain color, and if it's not, go away. And then over here in the behavior, I did the same thing. So I said, if it's locked, play this special sound and don't do any of this other stuff involving what happens if you normally interact with the block. I think that's all I got time for, so I'm going to stop here. If you put any questions in the comments, I will get to them as soon as I see them. Thanks.